Is hair loss affecting your confidence? At Dr. Paul's Advanced Hair and Skin Solutions, we bring you the latest in hair restoration technology, Exosome Hair Treatment. But what exactly is Exosome Hair Treatment? Exosomes are tiny vesicles naturally produced by almost every cell in the body. These powerful little particles, ranging from 30 to 150 nanometers, carry vital genetic information, proteins, and growth factors essential for cellular repair and regeneration. Exosome hair treatment works by injecting these exosomes derived from the stem cells directly into the scalp. This helps stimulate the repair and regeneration of damaged hair follicles, rejuvenating your hair growth naturally. As with any treatment, it's important to consult with a qualified health professional or trichologist to determine if exosome hair therapy is the right solution for you. At Dr. Paul's Advanced Hair and Skin Solutions, we are offering an exclusive 20% off on your first Exosome Hair Therapy session, along with a complimentary scalp analysis and post-treatment serum to nourish your hair. Don't wait any longer. Restore your hair and your confidence today. Call us now to book your appointment.